Have you just tried to open up a game or a program and something like this showed up? Well, that's called a missing DLL error and sucks because it won't let you start your program until we provide the missing DLL file. But don't throw your PC out the window yet because we have two ways to fix it. I don't want to bother you with what a DLL file actually is or it does. You are here for a fix, so let's get started. But before you can do anything, you need to know if your Windows is installed as a 64 or 32-bit version. And you do not need to know what this exactly is or means, you just need to know the number. To find it out, just right-click on your Windows symbol in your taskbar and choose System. Now in this window, search for the line saying Operating System and look for the number right next to bit. Now if it says 64-bit, you have a 64-bit Windows. If it says 32-bit, you have a 32-bit Windows. Now just keep the information for later on. The method number one is to install the missing DLL file yourself. For this, head over to our website by clicking the link in the description or in the I symbol in the upper right corner. Here, just scroll a bit down to the download section and download the DLL file. After downloading, open it up and keep it on the screen. Now we need to open up our Explorer and head over to our main PC, then into the C drive and then into the Windows folder. Now scroll all the way down until you can see the folder System32 and syswow64. Here, the 32-bit users need to drag their DLL into the System32 folder. The 64-bit users need to drag the DLL into System32 and then also into syswow64. Now you can close all the windows and restart your PC, and after a fresh restart, the program that was showing you the DLL error should now be detecting the DLL correctly and open up just fine. But there are instances where the program does not want to find the DLL. For these cases, we have a method number two. There is a package from Microsoft itself called Visual C++ Redistributable, and that one contains the DLL and it should fix the error if it hasn't been done before. So let's go back to our website with the method 2 link in the description or with the I symbol in the upper right corner. Here again, scroll all the way down to the download section and download the package according to your Windows. For 32-bit users, the 32-bit file, and 64-bit users, the 64-bit file. Once downloaded, open the installer, check the mark next to I agree, click on install and wait until the installation is finished. Once everything is done, just like before, restart your PC and your program should finally start up and you can use whatever you wanted to use. Okay, I hope you got your problem resolved and can now use whatever you wanted to use. I know a bit which program can cause which DLL error, but I would really love to know for every DLL, so please let me know what exact program had your error in the comment below. And if you encounter a DLL error that has not been featured on the channel yet, don't be shy, just write it down in the comments and I will add it to my to-do list. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and if it helped you, leave a like, make sure to be subscribed with the bell icon to not miss another video, and have a look at one of these totally random videos.